Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to extract audio in Alight Motion. To extract audio in Alight Motion is a straightforward process. So here is how you can do it. The first thing to do is to open the Alight Motion application from your app drawer. Now go ahead and open up a project you'd like to work on or create a new project. Go ahead and select a video from the timeline in order to select it. Once you have selected the video, go to the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the screen. You will be able to see the extract audio option at the bottom. Tap on it and this will separate the audio from the video clip. Alight Motion will now create a new audio track below the video clip on the timeline. This new track will contain the extracted audio from your video. And that's how you will be able to extract audio from your video clips in Alight Motion and enhance your video editing possibilities. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.